How to turn off location in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now on the menu page, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now simply tap on settings. Now on the settings page, simply scroll down. Now go to device permissions. If you don't find the setting, simply scroll up, tap on Search Settings. Now type Device Permissions, then tap on Search. Now next to Device Permission, simply tap on View. Now next to Location, simply tap on See Info. Again scroll down and tap on Update Settings. Now tap on Open. Now go to Permissions, tap on Location and select Don't Allow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.